Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact home screen you plan to modify so widgets land where you expect them. Once there, long press any empty space to enter Home Edit mode. This reveals layout controls. Make sure to tap the widgets icon in the menu that appears. It lists available widgets from installed apps. You do this now because widgets attach to specific screens and positions, and choosing the right screen first avoids later reordering or accidental placement. After opening the widgets list, scroll to find the app widget you need and tap or drag it onto the home screen. Place it roughly where you want it. Once dropped, you can fine-tune position by long pressing and dragging. Many widgets support resizing. Long press the widget again and drag the blue handles to expand or shrink it so it fits your layout. Make sure to test functionality by tapping the widget. If it needs configuration, you'll be prompted to complete setup. Finish by exiting edit mode so the home screen locks into place and widgets stay put. Test each widget by interacting with it, open, refresh, or configure to confirm live data appears. If a widget is blank or won't add, first remove and re-add it. If that fails, reinstall the app and grant necessary permissions. Also check battery optimization settings that may restrict background updates. These steps resolve most issues if things still misbehave.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.